Hello! We're in Sheraton at Newport. So, wala nang bagyo. Bagyong, sino yun? Uwan. It's a Friday. And it's a pleasant day today. And so here is our room. It's a king bedroom. Tapos nag-request na lang kami ng additional bed. So here, yan. Here muna is the cabinet. Yan, may plancha, kabayo. And, excuse me, Miguel. Two rooms. My left. Safety box pala. And, yan. Wala silang coffee maker. It's okay. Umaya na yung exciting na part. Dito muna tayo sa pantry nila. Ayan, baon namin yan. Ups! And here's the ref. Yan, lahat ng food dyan sa akin. Wala sa hotel. So, they have water. Yan. And dito muna tayo sa ating bathroom. So, dyan, rain shower ba yun? And I didn't bring shampoo, conditioner, and body
I want to swim. I want to swim.
Yes, quiet.
I need to shower.
Mga ganyan. Ayan, nice. And of course, I requested a room na may bathtub. Kasi we were supposed to have two queen beds. Pero sabi, walang bathtub. So, pinapalitan ko kanina. So, they gave us king room. Tapos, nagdagdag na lang sila ng bed. Tapos, may bathtub. So, yun yung priority ko, yung may bathtub. And, free of charge na lang yung additional bed. I don't know kung meron talagang additional charge yun. So, free na lang nila ako. Thank you. So, here is the king bed. Tapos, sinet up na lang nila yung additional bed.
There. You might get locked there.
Yes, don't go out. And here, oh, diba? Better. We weren't expecting for a balcony, but here we have one. Hello. Ganda. Very close to the pool. Kahit hindi airport view, parang mas okay to. Kasi pag airport view, parang wala silang balcony na. So ito, pool view, okay naman pool view. Very enticing. Tapos may balcony pa. O, diba? Hindi, maraming magagawa. You can hang out here pag medyo nilalamig ka sa aircon. Ayan, so ito pala, Sheraton and Hilton share the same pool. Mamaya, dyan tayo. Chill lang muna here in the room. Miguel, you wanna swim na? Did I miss anything pa? So, yon. Yan ang ating room tour. Smart TV naman to, no? Ganda. So we'll be staying here for 2 nights. Yay! I also forgot to include this. So they have dental kits and vanity kit, shower cap, and ayun, laundry bag. Ito naman box niya. So, and then, ito, may blower sila. Ayan. What did I miss? Wala naman siya. Ano pa? So, is this smart? And here pa pala. Yung, they also include yan. Bedroom slippers. 2 sets. With 2 bathrobes. Ha? Hindi siya smart? Oh. Oops, sorry. Ayan pala yung mga coffee nila. Tea. And kettle. So we're now going to the mall.
Akura.
Ayun o.
It looks like Akura.
Yes, it looks like Okura. Hilton. Ah, we're here again.
The pond.
Yes, over there. Yummy.
And it closed down. And these roads are now library.
This is my order. Pork ribs. Alfredo.
You're not up. You're not up. You're not up. You're not up.
Ang dami ba? Naman. With mashed potato. Chicken parmigiana. With fries. Sige.
Wala ko pala rice.
Honey glaze. tumigil na yung ulan. Dami ng tao sa pool. Sana mamaya mas mainit pa. Okay naman yung breakfast nila. Madami. Kompleto. But, napansin namin parang walang mga Filipino dishes like yung mga adobo, ganon. Meron mga tosino. Yan, tosino, longganisa, sausage, ganon. Ayan. So, I took out McDo. Doon lang sa tapat ng hotel. For the kids. Ayan, ang ganda. Maaraw na. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Akyat dito ata. Where do I go to the hotel? Namasyal na eh, nakalimutan na yung mga anak. Sayang, hindi kami nakakuha ng ticket niyan. Agang nag-sold out. Ano ba ang papuntang Sheraton? Nagligaw na naman. Dito sa kabila. Okay. Nawawala pa rin ako. Kala ko yun na yung entrance. Ayun. Sheraton. Ayan. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's the airport. Where are we going? Boracay? El Nido. Hi, Pogi. Saan kaya tayo?
Nakakuha ka na ng towel?
Hindi pa.
Yun, hindi ko yung pwede.
Ayan, pwede naman.
Mami, di ba pwede dyan?
Pwede siguro.
Daddy will catch you right there. Go on the back.
Here's the towel station. Uy. Pwede ka na. Saan na si daddy mo? Miguel! Ay, it's locked. 7 p.m. It's locked na pala. So, hindi na ako nakapasok. And the gym. The kids club and the gym are just beside the pool. So, tingnan nga natin kung pwedeng pumasok.